5 feet.
5 feet.
These are over 5. This is over 5 feet.
Over 5 feet in distance.
45.
We have 45, 210s, and I don't know where's 25.
25 and a 45 pound.
And then we have 25, 210s, 45, and a 45-pound bar.
Oh, yes.
Alright, Zoe, if you can come out here, please. Zoe, while the RX begins and practicing riding it, we're going to hear a little bit from Zoe here. So please tell us how that workout was for you. Well, it was tired. I like everything but and bro. It was nothing. And how did you feel? So 20 minutes, what goes through your mind when you're out there with one full that night?
There's no way I can hold this for 20 minutes.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about this huge crowd you have over here supporting you. Who they are,